like a gelato out of it.
I got maple syrup and lemon in there, and then I've got cayenne pepper.
Fantastic.
It's good, right? My gelato is rockin'.
I grabbed bacon, apricots, and honey. I think it's gonna be great.
I do not feel good at all right now. All of a sudden, I'm sweating a lot. My hands are really clammy. Just a whole bunch of not good things. I shouldn't have had that ice cream. I'm doing my best to stay focused, but I'm pretty sure that this challenge is going to be a really big problem for me. Just focus. I'm working with salmon bacon bits and some lemon zest, and I'm potentially going to add some sesame to it.
I see Bowtie Mike, and he's not looking good. I'm a little afraid about what's going to be coming out of his body.
You okay? I'm a mom. My first instinct is to help someone. Take off your glasses for a second and just put it there. Okay? Ugh. That was ugly. Being a team player, it really backfired on me. My original plan is raspberry and coconut gelato, but at this point, it is basically all egg.
That looks like good eggs, though. Who has eggs and who has ice cream? Uh-oh. Oh, my God.
Now what do I do, Crystal? It's so terrible. I have a sieve filled with eggs. What a loser.
Oh, no. Of course. This is not looking so hot. It's like a brain.
Is that your gelato? Yeah. Bobby says that it's all about making sure that you continue to work it and whip it. Otherwise, you could make scrambled eggs. Fabulous. I did not scramble any eggs in there.
45 minutes!
Go ice cream. Go ice cream.
Dude, if in there, it's ready. I'm on my cone.
Hey, red team, I don't hear any of y'all churners. I mean, what's the deal with your ice cream?
Hey, why don't you just focus on your ice cream there, buddy?
All right, Sue.
I'm dizzy, confused, and time is ticking away. Well, it takes 35 minutes, and I have 37. I don't know how I'm going to finish all of this.